Now, the concept of childhood memory is something every chef talks about. Because this, if you can replicate that and the audience can buy into and feel the childhood memory, you want them for life, right? This is when we go back home to our mothers or grandmothers and they cook our favorite dish. Nothing can be wrong, right? That just works. Now, he said, of course, that's a cool thing, but I cannot boil always half a liter of milk and wait. I have to run a restaurant. So he also invented the machine that can create the milk skin, but on industrial scale, so that he can use it in the dish in his restaurant. And then he said, okay, but what do I do with a milk skin? So it's not very exciting in a 3-star Michelin restaurant to eat milk skin, right? I need to tell a story, I need to create a dish. And then he said, okay, now let me think. And he basically fills it with mousseron. And mousseron is a mushroom that grows in the field where the cows are. And it only grows because of the digestive system of the cows. So he closes the circle from milk, cow, mushroom, right? And this is how these guys think, right? It's a deep story. It's a deep felt desire to create something out of the norm.